CN Double Stack here at Dorval Ramps. This one came in pretty quickly. So this train's eastbound. He's really going fast. I don't know if this is going to be even stopping at Tashiro. Tashiro trains, they go pretty slow. This one's coming in really fast. Yeah, so this is, what was I going to say? Oh yeah, so this is May 13th, 2020. This is an eastbound CN double stack. It seems to be slowing down now, so yeah, it probably is headed into Tashiro. It's underneath the Dorval ramps. Here they are, and it's very weird to be here at Dorval and see only one plane. I've been here for maybe an hour, 2 hours to view 4 trains, and like there's been only one plane. When normally, of course, you have a plane coming out of Dorval, out of Fudo Airport, every 5 or 10 minutes. Very odd to have like no air traffic at all because of this coronavirus, and no via trains too. Like Via Rail has completely ceased operations. There is no trains coming here for passengers other than the AMT or EXO passenger trains, commuter trains really, on the CP. So there's a commuter train now, right in the back. Yeah, there is an F59PH locomotive in there, EXO Transit, pushing all those AMT passenger cars that have had that AMT logo wiped off. EXO is taking over, and they've painted only a few cars, those EXO guard cars, and 1 or 2 passenger cars. Every now and then you'll see one car that's got that purple target on it, and it's a pretty ugly paint scheme. So I guess they're not going to repaint the trains. It would be better if they just, you know, wrote the word EXO where the AMT used to be and just left the blue, but I don't think they're gonna do that. But you know, it's been EXO for like 5 years now, and they haven't repainted anything, so anything substantial. So that kind of tells you what kind of a great paint scheme that they have going there. That it's so great that they don't really want to apply it. Not that I'm in a hurry to have them do it, because well, it's pretty ugly and they're gonna waste my money. You know, I subscribe to Opus, and I pay money to use those trains, or I did up until the time of the coronavirus. And I don't want them to waste money. I want them to use the money for improvements to service. Painting the trains does not improve service to me. So here comes the DPU. It's a General Electric unit. And that's the end of the train as well. So that unit is pulling up the rear. And there it goes. There it goes, pushing all those boxes. And you'll see how it's slowed down now, so definitely it is going into Taschereau Yard. Alright, so this is going to be the last train of the day for me. So thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed watching this, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.